Welcome to Accounting on Excel with Amaka Ifebunando. I'm glad to have you into this lesson. I'll be looking at how to use a named cell in an Excel formula. Named references are great features to use when writing your formula. It really makes the formula easy to read and easy to understand. First of all, Excel by default gives each cell a name by using the column name, the column alphabet, and the row number. That's why when you select any cell and you go to the name box, you can see the name given to that cell. Currently, we selected C11. That's why you can see C11 here, right? So what we want to do in this lesson is to give a name to the cell, a name that represents what that cell contains, and use it in writing our formula. Here we have our sales agents, the sales amount they make, and the tax that is applied to each of the sales. So the tax rate is 7.5%. So we want to give this cell a name so that when we input our formula here by timesing the percentage to the sales, we can easily get our sales tax, right? So we'll give this a name. We'll select the cell and we'll go to the name box because the name box by default is G10. So we want to give it a name and we'll say tax rate. Tax rate, is it hyphen or underscore rate? Underscore rate, right? When you're done with typing it, you just click enter, all right? So immediately you select that cell. When you go to the name box, you see it's tax rate. Instead of you seeing the G10, you're seeing tax rate. Now let's write our formula to see how the effect will be. So I say equals to, I want to times this, the sales times this, right? Immediately I select it, you see, it's instead of using G10, it uses tax rate because I've changed the name, I've given it a name, right? So immediately I click enter, immediately you see this is my tax for this particular sales agent. That's the sales that this sales agent made. This is the tax rate for it. So I can just use the fill to fill down and I get for the others, right? So that's how you use a named cell in writing your formula in Excel. I believe this has added great value to you and you will definitely use it. It will be of great benefit to you while working on Excel. Thanks for staying on. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and your feedback will do us a great good. So don't forget to drop also your feedback. Thanks for staying on and hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.